They even have fresh batteries.
I think they're more tight than you're used to, isn't it? Yeah, I'm getting used to it.
Wait till I get teeth. Life isn't so happy anymore.
No, I'm just glad she's eating. That's all I care. You can just see all I do with right hand raising. Eating and drinking. This is the first time I've had stood up to have the pups.
Dropped him right out.
Well, yeah, the first couple didn't come out real good, so I just get a hold and pull them carefully, and after that, if they didn't come out, she kind of stand up.